welcome to another video on this channel. If you could, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and the bell notification so you're notified of upcoming videos. That would be awesome for you and to grow the channel as well, as I love to get all this out to all you beautiful humans out there so you can learn to manifest your most amazing life. And so this video is going to be focused all on, should I let go of my manifestation or should I focus on it? Now, a lot of people, when they start manifestation and focusing on it and all of that kind of thing and starting to really work through it, this question comes up a lot. Should I be focusing on it or should I be letting it go? Now, I believe that when you're first starting out, it's really important to build the belief in manifestation and that you are the creator and that the law of attraction works, okay? And so it's kind of like, in a way, you need to test it and build that belief in it, okay? And so how you do that is by actually using different techniques. This is just my suggestion, to use different techniques on focusing on it, okay? So you could do things like visualization, meditation. You could also do things like scripting, like anything that's going to get you into the feeling and the focus of your manifestation, okay? And so I feel personally, and through my own experience, that there is a part where you will need to learn to let go, of course, but you also need to build the belief. So, because the thing is if you don't have the belief that it works, right, then you will, without realizing it, be focused more on it not happening, okay? But if you can use a few little techniques to really, set your goals, visualize, get clear on what you want and start focusing on it, right, in that regards, and then you sort of do that and then you let it go for the day and go upon your day and do your thing or whatever. Because when I say focus on it, doesn't mean you have to be focused on it all day, 24/7. It just means that you focus on it for that amount of time, whether you're doing visualization, scripting, EFT, whatever technique you're using, even just writing down what you want. So you use that time and then you just know, yep, let it go. But then the thing is with that is you are actually showing your brain that that's what you want, that's important to you, that's what you're actually focusing on, and that's what you will start to bring in your life, okay? And then once you start doing that, you will start to build the belief, hey, this manifestation and law of attraction is actually truth. It's actually working, right? And then over time, once you've done that, you will be able to let it go fully because you've built up the belief that you know that you are the creator of your life and that you are manifesting whatever it is in your life. Does that make sense? So I believe if you're beginning manifesting, beginning learning about manifesting and becoming a deliberate creator of your life, that you do need to have some sort of little routine in your day, preferably in the morning, because that will set up your focus, that'll set up your energy, where you use a couple of techniques and you really get clear on what you want and you focus on it each day until it starts to materialize in your life. Because when you're doing that, you are also giving it energy as well. You are feeding it. It's like you are watering a plant and it's growing in energy. And when it's growing and growing and growing and growing, and then it will start to materialize, right? I don't want to get too much into the science of it, but that is quantum physics. What we focus on grows, and so that's what we're doing when we're putting our attention on it. Now, the letting go part is more about letting go of it not happening. the letting go of your belief that it's not here yet and it's not happening. That's what you need to let go of, and really focus your attention on what you do want to create and where you are going. Okay? So yes, I believe at the start you do need to focus on it and build the belief, and when it materializes and manifests into your life, you will start to see how magical you are and how magical your life really is. Okay? So I hope this has been helpful. Let me know if it has in the comments below. Let me know your biggest takeaway, and remember to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, bell notification to be notified of upcoming videos like this one, so I can help you manifest your most amazing life. Have a good one. Bye.